Hey, Kawag here. We're going to be doing a food review on the new summer barbecue burger from Hungry Jack's. So that's okay. Here we are. I'm basically just going to be doing a review on the Whopper, the new summer barbecue Whopper over here. Very nice, very good. Taking a bite out of it, and as soon as I took the first bite, I knew I have to do like the full review. So like when you get it, it doesn't look like a normal it's like a normal burger. It's completely normal. But you don't notice anything special about it until you actually take the flavor, take the first bite. Opening it up, okay? You can see some of this. I put some chips in there, okay? I put some chips in there, but opening it up, as we can see, there's some mayonnaise. I'm not too much of a fan of mayonnaise. Once you take the bite out of it, everything changes, okay? So that flavor was riddled with, it was a good tangy flavor of the barbecue sauce here, enhanced by the pineapple that's inside of the sandwich. You wouldn't really have guessed that the pineapple would have increased the flavor, but it did. And it's such a good, marvelous taste. I gotta take another bite so I can reanalyze some of that flavor. The barbecue sauce there really stands out. Really stands out in the meal. When you want to talk about flavor and savory, this here is savory because you really want to savor each moment, each bite with this burger. You want to cleanse your palate each time so that each time you take a bite of this, it is your first bite, and it's just magical. It's sweet and salty. It's savory. You want to savor each bite, and it just comes there in your mouth, and all the flavors combine into a type of magical moment, magical intimate moment with the sandwich. That's what this thing is right here. So I'm gonna have my moment alone with the sandwich, and catch you guys in the next video.